To schedule your Instagram content, you'll want to use the Creator Studio in Facebook. In order to access this tool, you need to make sure that you have a Facebook page set up for your business and also have it connected to your business account on Instagram. Once your page is set up, you can find your page by coming over here to Explore and clicking on Pages, or clicking on your page directly from your home feed. Once your page loads, you want to click on Publishing Tools at the top. And then once the back end of your page comes up, you'll see on the left-hand side under Tools, there is an option for the Creator Studio. That will open up in another window. Now, if you don't have your Instagram connected to your page already, you can actually do it from right here in the Creator Studio. Just know that that's an option if you don't have it set up already. Now, once we're inside the Creator Studio, we want to click on the Instagram icon, and then it will pull up any posts that we currently have scheduled. It will tell us if they've been published, if they're set as draft, or if like this one here, like I said, it's already scheduled and ready to go. To schedule a post, you're going to come over here to Create Post and choose Instagram feed. Then this is where you can go ahead and type in your caption. You can add your location here as well. And then you can add your content. I'm just going to grab a stock image here. And then if you want, you can add this to your Facebook in addition to adding it to your Instagram feed. If you want to publish this right away, you can do that, or you can click on the little arrow here and select Schedule or Save as Draft. If you want to schedule this for the future, you can go ahead and select the date that you want this to go up. So I have a post scheduled for Friday. Let's also schedule for Monday around 3 p.m. And then once we have that set, we can click on Schedule. And then we'll see a status update over here once that is scheduled and ready to go. So now we can see the 2 pieces of content that we have ready to be scheduled. You can filter this by showing all content or by video, photo, carousel if you have multiple images including in a post. You can also take a look at stories and IGTV content as well. You're able to see the status of your post, the date that it's going to be published, and then the likes and comments that are on that post once it is scheduled and on your feed. You can also take a look at your account insights and see the accounts that are connected to the Creator Studio here. Spend some time playing around with the Creator Studio. As I mentioned, you can save your post as drafts. So this can be really helpful whenever you are planning and batching your content, because then everything will be right there when you're ready to schedule it out.